In this video we will see a modern single-story house. We will go through exterior design, a construction plan, section view and interior design. So stick till the end.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time.
The length of this house is 40 feet and the breadth is 46 feet. We placed the dining table at center of this house and this whole area is considered as living room. We have one large living room at the entrance of this house. This whole area is separated as living room. We have dining area at center of this house so it balances the home energy. A large kitchen with island is placed in this area with pantry area nearby for ease of access. We have two bathrooms, one for guest and another for owner. It was as per demand by house owner. This is bedroom area. It is positioned in such a way that provides peace and privacy from rest of the area. Now let's check inside.
Oh, butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here